If you're ready to transform your body, hit like, and subscribe right now. You work out hard, but still no results? This hidden mistake ruins everything. Bad form destroys progress fast. Fix this first. Fix this first, before every workout. Wrong breathing kills your strength. Professionals breathe like this instead. Stop rushing reps. Slow movement builds stronger muscles way faster. Fast reps waste tension. Controlled reps activate muscles much better. A weak core steals your power. Activate it before every workout. Form, breathing, tempo, recovery, and focus together change your entire body. Now you know the real workout secrets. Use them and transform your body. Share this video, comment your feedback, and hit the bell icon for more workouts. Thanks for watching!